With Salesforce, manufacturers can deliver a fully personalized customer experience through every interaction. Now, sales reps, service agents, field technicians, and business leaders have a single view with complete customer and account information from any mobile device. Sales reps can customize solutions to meet each customer's unique needs, and guided selling helps them navigate the complex manufacturing sales process. With intelligence built into the platform, product configuration helps reps include the right services and warranties to make sure that customers are all set up for success. And quote editor so reps can close deals faster, whether they're behind a desk or in the field. Even generating contracts with one click. When it's time to implement the project, resource allocation and project management tools are available from the App Exchange and can be easily integrated with Salesforce. Service agents have access to intelligent insights powered by Einstein so they can quickly address issues like service needs sourced from connected devices. And with Field Service Lightning, advanced algorithms help agents automatically schedule and deploy technicians to meet with customers on location and solve performance issues. And those technicians can access service requests to deliver exceptional experiences to customers. Blaze your trail with Salesforce.